Under.
I promised I wouldn't break his engine.
Från Alingsborg. Word, bro.
Another Honda for the...
Just bought another Honda.
Oh, you want that? Too ready.
One for the engine and one for the turbo.
We don't need it.
That's for the engine, it's for the turbo.
I don't know if this works. Like for real. I don't know if this is gonna fit in flash.
It looks a hell of a lot like your engine though. Hold on, let me compare the engine.
Let me open up. Oh, my headers is still here.
Oh shit.
Damn. Old memories though.
Well, yeah, about, yeah.
This is one. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. We forgot about everything now. We don't remember shit.
Clank engine.
Like, hey, I wonder if I can use the gearbox on that.
Yeah, dog, you can use that.
About 2 hours we took out this engine. Maybe you guys remember, we did not post the whole video yet. It's gonna be coming later. So I used 2 hours about taking out engine and everything else here. And this one, maybe half an hour.
You can just go in reverse really hard with like a strap there to that wall.
Yeah. Taking the car inside, needs to change
Whatever though.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be changing some part of my daily driver at the moment because my Honda doesn't work, doesn't have an engine, so I'm like, what the fuck. There's a few things we need to change. I broke in too many things on this car.
Dog, you broke the whole car, look at this shit. Ow, my foot.
We're gonna be here all night.
Okay.
Cigarette.
We're on our way to cigarette.
Cigarette.
We're on our way to cigarette's house.
Cigarette house, the store, those. Cigarette.
You have any money?
No.
Okay. Squishy frog, squishy squishy froggy doggy, squishy frog. It ain't lighting? It ain't lighting?
You're lighting.
Shut.
Why am I the light? Do the left hand right. Alright. Okay, so I just got back. Well, from the store. Break cigarettes. I'm finished on this side. And he's like,
No,
yeah. You lost the boot.
This shit done, and that shit.
Don't destroy the new part.
Yeah, but
This is not original. I put this on myself.
look at that shit too though. That's some cool shit though.
Oh shit, I forgot about this.
Whatever though.
Yeah, so we're changing.
Lower ball joint.
Yeah, the ball joint lower than that. This is later. This is gonna be refurbished with a new wheel bearing and everything.
Yeah.
And this inner and outer toe is gonna be changed also. And this is gonna be changed. Almost everything here is gonna be changed.
Yeah.
Right now, I need to do the necessary work for this car because if not, I'm dead.
Cause now we don't even we can't even get home.
I drive too fast, man.
I can see your ass. Look.
Get to the chopper! You people know that references from all video. Only OGs know it.
Also from the movie. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, dash it out. Come on.
I've done this too many times, but I'm fucking tired of this shit.
Do it right this time then.
Minecraft, I am Steve.
Yeah, Steve. Yeah.
Chicken jockey.
That's Steve.
In my eyes, in this boat. I got a hole in exhaust.
Yeah, I saw that. You didn't see the other one?
Hole.
That's why it's making the chord sound.
Four. And a big ass hole. Big ass hole.
Subscribe and like the video, we need money.
And cigarette.
I need a new
Fine.
power steering pump for my 6.2 Detroit.
Guys, the cameraman is in your car.
I'm no cameraman. I need a new car.
You are now.
Yeah, guitar.
Väldigt. Är det...
You need lube. I want to be perfectly honest. We may have messed up. All right, lift it up.
Goddamn lower car problems. I lowered it so low, it was stuck in this. It could have been like scraping that one.
Shit.
Damn.
Okay, so now we finished with front, with the lower ball joint on both sides. And tie rods,
Yeah.
inner and outer. And we made actually pretty good one by our eyes. So we are actually going to happen on this. Steering wheel is a little bit to the left, good box spot. It has been like that before.
Yeah.
I can adjust when I get back to work again.
Yeah.
All in the rear also later. I just need to buy parts again. And that's about $4,000 or $6,000. Fucking expensive.
Shit.
So it's more like about the, what is it again? Maybe 3,000 only for the rear.
Shit.
But I also have to buy a new subframe for the rear. Yes, it's starting to get shit. Please like and subscribe.
Always with a cold engine.
I don't want to be scraping.
You're not scraping. Don't worry about it. Did it work, E?
Hell yeah, brothers.
Why is there oil
Good question.
in the intake of a naturally aspirated whip?
We did come real far today, but it's late and I got other stuff to do also. So now we're heading back. Unfortunately, we didn't get the engine out because we were struggling with electrical stuff. So
Wiring harness.
damn, it's straight. Like what the fuck?
No way!
Like it's straight. What the fuck?
No way!
We did this by eye.
We made it straight by eye, dude.
Damn.
Damn, son. Where'd you
So
find
weird
this?
too.
To your car, I'm gonna go home and shower, dog.
I need. Hey, get gap though, bitch. Hey, yo, get your bitch ass gap though.
Bro ain't shit.
Bro ain't shit though. Bro ain't.
What? What the fuck? What the? What? Huh? What? Oh hell no! What the hell? No! Huh? What? That motherfucker was coming 110.
And he's still coming. He's following us.
I was what? Huh? Like bro, fucking explain that shit. What the fuck?
No damn way that this dude. He would have gapped your 1.4 Accord.
Yeah, and 1.6 Accord as well. That's how?
Oh man.
No, not yours. Your one.
Hey, fuck you, man. You took my license plate. You took my goddamn plates off, you bitch ass bullshitters. I signed my friend.
My whip! Yippee yippee, my whippy! I love my Hilux! Yippee tippy tippy toopy!
Big ass car. We didn't do nothing.